Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how you can get the best crystal clear audio in Adobe Premiere Pro CC in less than 2 minutes. Once you have your video onto the timeline like so, you want to go under to the effects. Step number 1 is to add an hard limiter. So what you want to do is basically, if you were to increase the volume, let's say by 10 decibels.
How many genders are there?
I
You can see that it peaks like so.
don't think you could.
And we don't want audio to peak. So we go underneath effect controls and then go under here, custom setup edits, and then we click and move this to the maximum amplitude to the right. Let's say -7. I'd say the sweet spot is 5 to 8. Click on the X.
How many genders are there?
I don't say. I think there's kind of infinite possibilities.
The next step is, in order to increase audio and make this crystal clear, is to type in bass, B-A-S-S, drag it onto the audio clip, type in treble, drag it on, and then make this 5, and then also 5 decibels. And this is what this sounds like.
I think there's kind of infinite possibility. More labels and terms existing for things like non-binary. But I think when you